This is just a testing recording for the continuation of the lecture related to leukocyte circulation and migration into tissues. Okay, so far then we have talked about the selectins and the integrins and how those they play a major role in the homing and the migration of leukocytes into tissues. So it is really extremely important to understand this topic because when you understand here this concept, then you will understand how the leukocytes they migrate from the primary lymphoid organs into the second lymphoid organs, hoping to find their allocated counterparts. So when they do find their allocated counterparts, then the reaction is going to take place, and then the defense is going to be achieved. So we said that this is going to be achieved through what we call selectins and their receptors, and what we call here integrins and their receptors as well at the same time. Also, we need to understand the chemokines that are going to be involved, and the chemokine receptors that they play a major role in the circulation step. Very important to understand also the leukocyte endothelial interactions and the leukocyte here recruitment into tissues. And as I said, the final outcome is going to be the homing of those leukocytes into their allocated area where they have to be present in order to achieve the major defense that we have talked about. So it's extremely important then to know that those leukocytes they do have to migrate from their allocated areas through here what we call the chemokine and the chemokine receptors, and what we call through the chemotaxis as well. So they will travel in their allocated areas into the immune system. So in order to achieve that, these leukocytes, they have to migrate, and I said they circulate, and some they could recirculate, because we said these leukocytes, they have to circulate till they find their allocated areas, and if they couldn't find their target allocated area, then they will recirculate for the second time till they meet their allocated counterparts.